At BHC, we pride ourselves on enhancing our client relationships through innovation. It's a big way that we help serve our clients to make the project much more efficient and smooth. Personally, I love the feeling when a client tells us how our project resulted in a positive impact in their community. vGIS is a very powerful tool we use, which allows us to show our clients, residents, and utility contacts what's going on in real-time space. It's really great for the client. They can easily see the changes planned for the site and the surrounding properties. A great example of how vGIS provided innovation is a road design project in southern Johnson County. We were having a utility coordination meeting and utility contacts wanted a way to see where they could move their utilities. We provided vGIS as a very quick and efficient method to go out in the field, see where the new road and new sidewalks were going to be, and tell them where we could place their utilities with accuracy. We strongly believe in innovation at BHC. I think about it each day, not only as a goal for myself, but as a goal for our clients. I'm Katie Bushong, and my passion at BHC is innovation with our clients and the impact it has on their community.